Excuse me. Look at it. That looks real, man. Good morning, guys. It's 10:25 in the morning. Today is day 4. Yeah, it's 10:25 in Canada. It's probably like UK is 5 hours ahead. 12, 1, 2, 3. The UK is 3:25. Wait, hold on. 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's 5 hours. So the UK is 3:25. Today is just a normal day. So what we're doing today is nothing much really, because it's gonna snow today. They said we should try our best to stay indoors. Stay tuned. You guys, it's snowing. It's like a little bit of like flurries and stuff. I'm gonna make some breakfast. One grandma-tea. Alright. You're eating. It's snowing actually. It's snowing out? Yeah. Raining, snowing. Pew, 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 pew. No, sausage first. Oh, you just finished. Some fancy food. Yeah. You guys, it's what time is it? It's 5:20 and it's still snowing. Today is day 5 and today is Friday. We've been here since Monday, so it's still snowing outside, like not a joke. The time is 9:34. So today I don't really know what we're gonna do today. I'm pretty much gonna take you guys around with me wherever I go. I'm gonna show you guys outside. It's still snowing. Look, you know, because in Canada when they have snow, they have this big trucks scraping all the snow away from the street so people can drive on the street, because it's so dangerous when you drive, like when there's like so much snow on the street. If I see one of them cars, I'll show you. Hi guys, we're going to Toronto. Excuse me.
I don't have the money to.
Mountain of snow. Look at that. Yeah.
What about the tomorrow one?
Tomorrow one, we have to call him back to confirm, because we did his day.
So you do
Adult day pass. We need a day pass. What is this on this? Single? No, we need a day. No, you know it's a double-decker train as well.
isn't it?
I know, right? How are you feeling about this train? It's not really going fast, isn't it? It's really slow. Thinking it was gonna run. UK trains, when it's about to move, it doesn't say nothing. Canada trains, when it's moving, it just tells you how long it's supposed to be going. And oh, but it's going fast now.
So it's not speed, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, I love it. That's the toilet in the train. Oh, that's the tiny beach. How do they call it here? So once I do that, I use my phone. Look at that building, so nice.
And ladies and gentlemen, shortly arriving at Union Station. Once again, if you're
I'm not taking pictures. Do you like sunlight? Ow, stop! Pictures!
We've got our money.
We need to take the money. Oh, look at these. I want to take videos of that side. Where are we going? Nowhere. Absolutely nowhere. We just keep walking. Keep walking down the street. I swear. This is like London. Look, she's got the shoes I want. Very cute. Welcome to Hudsons Bay. Okay, let's go. Huh? Oh,
Okay, put there. So it's full up.
well, what floor are we?
Go to the washroom.
What floor are we? So we go. Do you want to start from up and then you come down? Because I want to.
Shall we go from 6 and down?
Okay.
No, it's alright.
Sorry. Patiently waiting for my friend to come through. Oh, that looks nice. Wait. That looks really cute. Look at them. Relaxing. How much is that? 330. Oh, that looks nice. Okay. Look at it. That looks real, man. Nice. Oh, yeah, this is a young people bit. No, that must be expensive, so I'm not even gonna go that way. That looks really nice, isn't it? Wow. Must be expensive. This dress is nice, you know. 339. Hey.
This is cute. I like this.
Yeah, it's really cute. What do you guys think about this thingy right here? Because I'm thinking to go for white, but everyone says it looks different. I mean, they look nice, but I feel like I prefer white. Let me know what you think. The picture, please.
Very cute.
Coat. 1,000.
People just say, like, it's just a fun place to go.
Coach. Popeyes, right? Maybe it's not the same. Is that the same?
It is.
What are you getting? Nah. Give us 1 second.
When you refresh off the boats. What's a combo? A meal?
The combo?
Yeah.
Combo comes with a side, biscuit, and a drink. What kind of combo are you looking for?
Biscuit.
Nugget combo.
Nuggets?
Yeah.
Oh, the biscuit is this thing.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's like a
The
straw.
nuggets combo come with a side, which you can choose from there.
£14 dollars. Why is it £14 dollars? $14.50. That's how much? That's is it £9?
What's your food?
What did you get?
Nugget.
I got some burger. Look at that. That looks good.
You guys want like mine? You already look very good. Nice. It's nice. Hot.
So nice.
It's really good though.
Yeah, no, Diet Pepsi, no, Diet Coke, strawberry, I want to try everything. Not ginger beer, not ginger beer. Not ginger beer. What's that? Oh, so it was that I thought it was oh my god, these roads are crazy. It God, I got ready. Ready? No, not yet.
We're English gal.
According to the work we have done,
Let's go.
Let's go, so we can go, right? Oh, let's have a look.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Oh yes.
Oh, is it heavy?
It's so heavy. Oh.
Fucking heavy shit, right?
I know, right? Damn.
These are cute. Cute. Okay, no? Let me see.
How much is this?
$179 for $10.
179?
Yeah, same.
Oh.
Is this one this one?
Yes. Figure it out.